Sakleshpur. It's a beautiful hill station in Western Ghats in the state of Karnataka. Hello dears, welcome to Anjude Vlogs. Welcome to a short weekend getaway from Bengaluru, and we are traveling towards Sakleshpur. And before making this trip, we had lot of confusions. We had lot of plans. Never we had gone for a drive without any plans. We didn't book our stay. We didn't know where to travel exactly. So altogether it was kind of skeptical whether we are going for this trip itself. And today morning we were like, okay, let's go, let's make it. And we had so many places in our list like Chikmagalur, Sakleshpur, Coorg. So many places were there in the list. Even Mysore we thought of. And yeah, even Pondicherry, which is on the other route. But finally we ended up thinking, okay, let's go to Sakleshpur itself. We have never been there, even though we have been to Chikmagalur and all the other places which I just mentioned. And then we checked for rooms and we got to know that doesn't work. If we are making a sudden plan to places like Chikmagalur, Sakleshpur, etc., most of the Bangaloreans would have already made their plans and almost everything was kind of booked. And last minute, whatever we found in the booking app, we booked for, and we will show you once we reach there. We ourselves doesn't know how the stay is going to look like. So let's go and see. In 3 hours, 45 minutes, we reached Sakleshpur, including half an hour lunch in between. We just came for some snacks. To our stay, it will take another 30 minutes. So let's go have some coffee because Sakleshpur is very famous for coffee. And once we entered Sakleshpur itself, we started getting that coffee vibes everywhere.
Destination is on the right.
The last 20 kilometers drive towards the resort was really amazing. Lush green areas, cart roads. All together it was so amazing, and we reached our resort, Raintree Eco Stay. Sometimes last minute decisions and choice can definitely end up in great results. That is what we got here. Such a nice room with great ambience, with great scenery looking straight from the door towards the mountain. This is the great room, all great space and a nice neat washroom. This is also very spacious. Hot water, everything is available. This room is called Village Room. The vibe is really amazing. It gives us the traditional village ambience. Look at the kind of construction. Look at the kind of building. Such a nice architecture. All these pillars, everything. All together, this place is definitely giving me a traditional heritage ambience. Dears, how are you all doing? Next day morning, we woke up to the voice of nature, the beautiful nature, feeling really pleasant, and it's time to go for breakfast. So the first place which we are going to explore is Manjarabad Fort. This is a star-shaped fort which is built by Tipu Sultan in 1792. See, I was about to fall now. We have to climb a long way, lot of steps. It's kind of a morning exercise, but after breakfast. There are a lot of monkeys too. So be careful of belongings. After 10 to 15 minutes of climbing, we finally reached the fort. This is the entrance. Time is from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Right now it's 11:15. So this is our first destination for the day. Let's see how the fort is going to be. Maybe we cannot cover it like a star because we do not have drone with us. From the middle of the fort, we can see the star shape. So each corner of the stars, people have already occupied. You can take good pictures here. See how families are enjoying their fun time. Now I need not take my selfie stick. Sham is here. When I was in France, I struggled without having a selfie stick, but somehow managing with whatever I had. If you have not watched that video, which was released just before that, please do watch it. Here goes the beautiful view from here. Straight from the fort, we came to this Manjehalli waterfalls. So this is a place called Pearl Valley. We have to walk inside. I think 4x4 cars should be able to go till the end, but we thought we will park it there and we will go strolling. It's like around 1.5 kilometers inside. So it will be nice to spend the nature friendly ambience, walk looking at the greenery. So that will be fun, right? So we thought we will just walk around. About the network coverage, in most of the places we were getting good coverage. We are having Airtel network. I'm not sure about the other networks. Went inside the resort and checked. The resort name is Pearl Valley Retreat. So what they said is, if you are staying inside, then only we can go inside. I think previously this resort was not here. I've seen many people going, enjoying there. So it's a good information which I could share with you, even though we took all the pain. But that's fine. It was a good hike, looking at all the beautiful nature. There is one more waterfall, Mookanamane waterfalls. That is also very nice to see. So if you want to really go to some waterfall, you can try that instead of this one. One more thing to notice is that if you follow the Google map, it will take you to the entrance of this waterfall. Instead, you give this Pearl Valley Retreat as a direction so that you can come till the entrance. If you are really going to stay here and visit the waterfall. If you want to see from far like how we did, still you can do the same. But definitely it was a good hike. Now we are going back to our car. After taking a long stretch of narrow road with so many twists and turns, we reached this temple, Betta Bhairaveshwara temple. This temple has a great ancient architecture, so the vibe is so good. Let's go and see how it looks like. According to the mythology, it is believed that the Pandavas stayed here for a short period during the exile. That is the history behind this temple, so you can imagine how old it is. There are so many other temples too in Sakleshpur. You can go to Sakleshwara temple, which is towards the town. Even you can go to Kukke Subramanya temple, which is very famous. And the best part is the view, the panoramic view from here. You can see fog, mist even during afternoon. The time is 2 o'clock. Even now you can see how pleasant the climate is. On the way back from the temple, we stopped at a local market to get a local vibe. And let's see if we can buy something from here, maybe mango or jalebi, something like that. Felt really good because the people are so friendly. They talked to us, they asked where are we from, etc. Luckily we can manage Kannada because we are staying in Bengaluru, right? So altogether we had proper fun, got few things and going for lunch. After visiting most of the places, we came back to our resort. I forgot to tell you that yesterday evening after coming here, we had a great time in the resort. So many games are there. We played shuttle, archery, then some indoor games, caroms, chess, everything was there. And today we thought, okay, enough of traveling so much. If you love to drive a lot more, you can even go to Bislake Hut. There are so many viewpoints there. Definitely anybody will love it. So if you love traveling and if you have enough time, you can include that as well. Looks like it might rain anytime. It is just 4:45 and it's really cloudy. You can see the hill view from here, full of fog and mist. From the time we came yesterday, it is like that. If we get enough time, we will go to the swimming pool also. Dears, it is time for us to leave back to Bengaluru. This time the steering is on me. We have already started. No doubt why Sakleshpur is such a popular destination. You can actually book for a nice homestay or resort and spend your time inside the resort itself without going outside, because almost all the resorts are so calm, so welcoming. People are so nice. Even in the resort which we stayed, we had a great time. Even if we hadn't gone out, it would have been really great. The staffs were so friendly, so cordial, and their service was exceptionally good, no doubt in that. And they had almost all amazing facilities also. And the best part about traveling is that we will get a lot of good friends. This time also we got two friends, a couple from Bengaluru, and they are actually staying very near to us in Electronic City itself, Priya and Arun. So we spoke a lot with them. We had nice chat yesterday night also, and today while leaving we even exchanged numbers. So definitely we will be in touch. That is the best part about traveling. Apart from whatever we did, there are many more things Sakleshpur has to offer, like hiking, camping, trekking. There are so many estate tours also. We will come back to Sakleshpur, no doubt in that, because we definitely love the place. It is always good to go for a drive once in a while, leaving behind all your personal worries, official tension, everything. Forget everything, just enjoy your life. Now it's time for me to end up this vlog, this beautiful, lovely vlog from Sakleshpur. Definitely will be back with some other exciting vlogs soon. Love you all. Do shower your love and support to me as likes, comments, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel Anju Dev Vlogs. Bye. Take care.